Today on How to Cook, we're doing a short side, grilled artichoke. I love this. You can be served as an appetizer or as a vegetable on a main dish. Let's get started. Okay, artichokes are basically weapons, so you have to cut the tips off or you're going to hurt somebody. Cut the leaves that you plan on eating. These here on the end, you can just lop the whole top inch or so off. You want to use a big serrated knife or a machete. The leaves on the bottom are super tough. You're never going to be able to really eat those. So again, serrated knife or machete. You have to cut it in half. Guess what? Big serrated knife or a machete. We're sensing a theme here. All right, get this cut in half. Try not to cut any fingers off. They're a little tough to cut because they wiggle around a lot, but that's basically that. So once you get the artichoke open, you've got the fuzzy bits to deal with. Now this is sitting right on top of the artichoke heart, so you want to leave as much as possible, but you want to get the fuzzy bits out and some of those purple leaves and the whole thing. Use a grapefruit knife, works fantastic. Just be patient and don't take out too much because the artichoke heart's the good part. Alright, artichokes get brown just like avocado, so you got to put some lemon juice on it. That's what that little ball of lemon juice is for. It's really not good for anything else. Alright. So we're going to boil these first before they go on the grill because artichokes take forever to cook. So we got a large pot of water where this is a really big pot because these are pretty good sized artichokes. We'll put some salt in there and bring it to a boil. You can put it in before it comes to a boil, but you're going to go about 12 to 15 minutes face up, then 12 to 15 minutes face down. And they should be done. As you can see, the color's changed slightly. It's not a vibrant green anymore. And that's not really an indication that it's done, but the softness and the leaves spreading out is. Make sure you drain it really good before we move on to the next part, which is very important. We're going to put some marinade in this to make it super yummy. Yeah, that's the really good part. Artichokes taste delicious, but there's things you can do to make them taste even better. So let's get that marinade. Oh no, you can tell what it is. It's Italian dressing. Yeah, I'm cheating and using store-bought Italian dressing. You can use the cheap stuff, but the good stuff tastes better. Alright, after that sits about 15 minutes or so with a marinade in there so it soaks into all the leaves, you're going to put these on a grill. Now this grill is super hot. We call it turbo because it's been cranked up a bit. I have it on medium heat. The other side is cooking a couple of bacon wrapped fillets, which you can see are getting flame kissed at the moment. Ignore those. Alright, so these went about 7 or 8 minutes face up, like that, and then about 7 or 8 minutes face down. And all the juices, basically the marinade comes out, but this is what you end up with. A grilled artichoke. They're amazing, they're delicious. Serve this with a lemon garlic aioli or some butter or just some plain mayonnaise, whatever you like. Just enjoy, and thanks for watching. Hey, you there. Yeah, I'm talking to you, buddy. Did you know that most of the people watching these videos are not subscribed to this channel? You know how much they're missing out on. You can't even hit the notification bell unless you're subscribed. That's crazy. You gotta hit the button. I mean, not that button. No, not that one. That one. There you go. That's the button. All right, hit the bell. Then you're gonna know when the videos come out and all that good stuff. You're gonna love it. But that's all I got for now because hey, gotta go now. Train's coming. See you later. Bye.